Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing here, and I just want to tell you to like, subscribe, and share. Hit that bell notification if you want to stay up to date on all the latest breaking news and coin updates as we move into a cashless society. It's very important that you share this channel, you hit that like button, comment down below to help push us through the algorithm to keep you up to date and sidestep and audible the criminal gangster cartel. Peace and love, and my deepest gratitude to my beautiful, lovely subscribers and future subscribers. Hey-o! Go Crypto Investing, and you can see the XRP price has continued to bump today. We are now done with the golf tournament and on our way home. The fundraiser and a scramble. We shot 9 under with 2 eagles, a bunch of pars, about 4 or 5 birdies, and 1 bogey. But some suspect cheaters out there that didn't look like they could even physically get up to a tee box said they shot a 56, which we are highly suspect of, and it'll go down as one of the biggest frauds and shysters in golf fundraiser history. But you can see the XRP price, what we were talking about earlier, and you need to hit that like, subscribe button, hit that bell notification, most importantly, so you can get the latest breaking news in the blockchain technology. And as we work our way closer each day, and each hour, and each minute, and each week to 2024 and the start of the CBDC, cashless society, this is your home of the cashless system and a cashless society that is coming to the United States. As they're working on it, they're getting that technology out, and you need to stay up to date on all the breaking news and the ever-changing fluid situation that we got going on in the cryptos. But you can see right now, currently, we're sitting at this just above the major upper resistance, which has been 37 cents. For a few weeks, you had a resistance, dump, resistance, resistance, and then you've had this consolidation back there where you consolidated for about 2 weeks, from about May 10th to early June of 2022, and then you dumped, and it flipped it to resistance. Now you can see today, over the last few days, we bottomed out with a nice double bottom right here. A pump up got rejected again by the 37 cents. Held the top part of that red volume indicator zone at 32.5 cents, and you've broken that 37 cents now. And that's a critical area that you need to hold now and keep it flipped if you want to try to keep continuing up to this 37, or 37 cents is down here. If you want to try to get up to this 48 to 50 cent level, right? And that's what we're watching out for in the current XRP price. To all my XRP holders and to all my crypto traders out there, you can see you need to stay on top of that 37 cents. That is major lower support now, that if you can flip it and try to hold that as the futures market opens, you could try to bounce into that upper blue resistance zone up there, which is the 48 to 50 cent level, which is another major upper resistance, right? Because then you got down here, you have that 37 cents, which is the major resistance level that you're trying to flip now. And that's what we're watching out for in the short term. What my XRP holders and my XRP army need to worry about is if you come back and you get a little bit of a sell-off after this big pump, even though you can see here on the local time frame, the 4-hour time frame, like we were talking about, you got the mean of the volume uptrending and that thicker line. You got the line, the individual 4-hour candles spiking up with a spiking price. That's bullish. You want to see the momentum and the volume like it is trend up and lead the price up. That's bullish. That means there's buyers and there's some momentum going up. But if you get a little bit of a sell-off and you trade it back down like this, you just want to hold that 37 cent line right there, and then you could come and continue to the upside, right? You could do this and then kick up and have another big leg to the upside. And that's what I'm currently watching out for, the XRP holders, as the futures market opens. And as you do know, you have your 28 cents as your major lower support before you would break down to the next level down, which would be south of 26 cents, and which would be in the last line of defense, aka get my shit together zone to the shit house, because as you do know, there's still going to be an end of the year target of between 18 and 20 cents, and then that gets you very close to the golden accumulation zone. And as we do know in the XRP, the golden accumulation zone, or the golden pocket of accumulating, is down there between about 8.5 cents and 15 cents is where I think we're going to have a nice period to accumulate XRP down there. And that's what I'm going to continue to watch out for in the charts over the next 4 to 8 to 12 weeks as we work our way into the fourth quarter of the year and get deeper into the fall time and approach the new year. as when does the next leg of the downside happen, right? But right now we're consolidating up in the XRP price, so that remains short-term bullish for today, right? And then that might be all right now for this update. This is just an XRP update because I have a bad signal. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Go Crypto Investing. Peace and love to you. Yes, you, my beautiful audience. But you can see right here, we had a sad face. And you can see where we've been at in XLM is a very similar area. You've had major lower support down here and major upper resistance up here at the 12.5 cents. Right here, you see that? That's been your major upper resistance. And then your major lower support, it's been down here at about the 10.5 cents. And that's what we're looking at in the XLM price right now, as this is one of my top 5 cryptos that I think you must own as we go into the 2024-2025 cashless society and into the heart of the next bull run possibly. As your brief synopsis is, if you hold that blue line, the 10.5 cents, you can remain short-term bullish. But if you fall down below that, you would be likely to fall down to 7.75 cents. But if you can continue up on this consolidation and this move to the upside, you can get to 12 to maybe even 13 cents. And then if you could break that 12 or 13 cents, you'd have a chance to come all the way back up into some of these overhead fib circles that are up here, all the way up here at 19.20 cents. But first things first, you got to make sure you hold this 10.75 cent line and then breach this 12.5 cents and then flip this 1.618 Fibonacci and hold that and flip it to support instead of resistance, like you've been having resistance right there. And that's what we're looking at there. And that's what I'm thinking in the short term for XLM. And we're going to stay on top of this. And as I get home, we'll get deeper into some of the breaking news that I want to talk about today and get into some of this cashless society news. Like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace and love.